Hi guys, it's Jay and I am back with another video. So I was actually suggested to do this video and I'm really glad that I'm doing it. We're going to go over how to start your own little makeup kit, or just to start off products just for you. If you go to a makeup store, you want to start doing your own makeup, you don't know what to get, ignore my AirPod. It's just so that we don't pick up sound from all over the house. And I'm talking a little low because my wife is out there watching a comedy special on Netflix, so I don't want to be too loud. But we are here to help you. I'm here to help you, just like you're here to help me. Help me help you. We're going to be going over drugstore products. Very easy products to go pick up if you're looking to build your own personal makeup collection. You don't know where to start, I'm here to help you. First things first, you want to start with your base. So foundation is key. You don't want to get something that is not suitable for you. Everyone's skin is different, so for someone with oily skin, these are really good products that I'm suggesting to you. If you have dry skin, you can still use these products. I would just recommend moisturizing very, very well, okay? So the first things first, my tried and true, is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'll probably put a slide over here somewhere with pricing for this one right here. It just depends on where you go. Literally, I was just in Walmart, which I almost never go to Walmart, and this was $5.43. I guess it depends on the location because I've seen this in drugstores for $11.99. Just depends on where you go. This is in the shade 355. I typically have to mix this with my 335, and then I also have 338 here as well. Those are really, really bomb foundations. Another really good option for bases and foundations is Black Opal. So I literally just picked this up for the first time 2 days ago. I've always seen a lot of other artists use it, and it's actually really, really good. I have on Black Opal today, and I have a lot of them. These are typically, I want to say like around $10. Once again, I will probably enter a card in here with more details on how much these were. But once again, I went to a Walmart very far away because I don't know, it's like a hidden gem now to me. And I got these on clearance for $5 each. So I bought quite a few of those. And then last but not least for this video is the brand Halsey or Hallie's or whatever it's called. This is one as well. This retails for $20 at Target. I've only ever seen this at Target. I think you can only really get it at Target or online. I may enter a card here as well for pricing and availability for this. This is in the shade 7.0 Neutral. This is one of my go-tos. This is really bomb. Once again, $20 product. I got it 50% off. It's $19.99. I got it for like $9, but yeah. This right here is bomb. All right. So moving on to concealers. If we're moving on to concealers, it wouldn't be right without me starting with my LA Girl Pro. And this is in the shade Cool Tan. This isn't that brightening on me, but I don't like to use something that's way too light under my eyes. This is a really, really great product. I've been using this now for years, like literally years. And it's amazing. It's bomb. You can use this for your all over base. You can use this to contour, to highlight, but this is definitely a tried and true. I will enter a card in here somewhere. But beauty supplies, you can probably get it for about $2.99 to $3.99. Ulta, I believe it's $3.99. You usually can get a deal on this, or you can just order a whole pack on Amazon and save a lot of money, especially if you're a makeup artist and you're looking to build your whole kit. But there's that. And then a next one that I actually love is the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is the eraser of dark circles concealer. This is in the color golden. I always loved seeing this on YouTube videos, but they never came out with colors for brown girls, okay? It was not brown girl friendly, but now it is. So I do have the shade golden, and they have even deeper colors, which is amazing. The formula is amazing. It's really good for the under eye. So I would highly recommend this one. And another one is the brand Makeup Revolution. This is their fast base concealer, and I'll probably enter a card over here. This is actually the one I use for contour C16. I don't know why I didn't grab my other one, which I believe is in C9 or 10. And I use that to highlight under my eyes. These go for about $5 to $7, but hopefully I get to enter it in here somewhere for the exact price, and I get these specifically at Ulta. These are a really great mascara, and it comes with that very soft sponge tip similar to the Maybelline Age Rewind, but a lot slimmer. I really like these for travel too. My next one and final concealer for my drugstore options right now is going to be the ColourPop. ColourPop no filter concealers are bomb.com, and these two are in the colors 40 and 46. I typically will use 46 all over just to spot conceal my skin, especially on the day if I don't really want to wear makeup, and I'll use 40 under the eyes. These are super bomb, dries down, but don't let it sit too long, because if it dries down too much then it's not going to want to move, which is a really good thing. So definitely go check these out. I want to say these are about $6, $5 to $6, but once again, if I remember, I'm going to enter it in a card right here. All right, moving on. What we're going to move on to is setting powders, and this is just one brand for setting powders for the drugstore. Well, actually two. We'll do two for the drugstore, but it is going to be the Fit Me powder, and this one is in 30 medium deep. This is really, really good. I have all of the shades, and this one is in 40, which is really nice for a deeper skin tone. I actually used it to bronze up my skin today. These are gorgeous. They're very finely milled, and the colors are incredible, like if you can see that. And it comes with a protective seal, which is amazing. I'm not sure what these range in other places. Once again, I'll try to make sure I insert a card with pricing, but I only got these for $5.43 each at a Walmart. Sorry guys. The next thing going along with the skin, this will be the final skin product. Is that right? Yeah, final skin product is the Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Powder Palette. So you're going to get 8 shades in here. So you'll have some contour colors. You have a little bit of warm and cool tones. These mostly pull up really cool on camera, but it's not. And then you have some setting powders. This one is a shimmery setting powder, so you can use that as a highlighter, which is really nice. I don't remember what these range for because I definitely picked this up while I was in Atlanta. But I will definitely try to enter a card in here for this if I can find it. On someone else's website, I know that they have it at Beauty Supplies, but I can't even give you a guesstimate of the price because that was literally my first time seeing it and picking it up. But once again, if I can find it, I will enter a card in for that. All right, so then we're gonna move on to brow products. One of my absolute favorites is going to be the LA Girl Brow Pomade. For a drugstore, this is amazing, okay? This is amazing. This is in the color Soft Black. This reminds me of the Anastasia Dip Brow for sure, because I have that as well, but it's not a drugstore product. So this is bomb. This is a really good product to use, and it dries down matte, so you don't have to worry about the brows moving. And I don't know the price for that. I did pick that one up in Atlanta as well, but I know that they have it at Walgreens and beauty supplies, and also Ulta. So if I can find the card and pricing, at least for Ulta, I'll enter it in here. And the next brow product that I recently got, which is bomb, is the Makeup Revolution Precise Brow Pencil. I want to say this one is like $6 to $8 because they have one in their pro line as well. But this is super bomb. It's nice and creamy, goes on great. I have it in my brows today. And I love this. So Makeup Revolution is definitely a go-to brand. As you see, we also had concealer with that brand today. And I do have setting powders with them. It's a translucent one, but it's like over there, and I don't feel like want to get it because I am sitting behind my desk. So outside of that, we're gonna move on to eyes. So this is the 25B palette from Morphe. Obviously, you can see that they've changed their packaging a lot. This is the one that I had outside of James Charles and Jaclyn Hill. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys this one. But it's really nice, neutral colors. You can create a lot of different looks with this. I believe this palette was like $12 to $14, and pigmentation is bomb. Obviously, I've still had it this long, and they don't even make this packaging anymore. Honestly, if you're gonna start off with eyeshadow, start off with Morphe or Juvia's Place. My Juvia's Place is over there. Palettes range $18 to $20, so it varies. It's kind of up to you. As you can see, I have tons of Juvia's Place products here. These are just boxes sitting in front of me, and I have more right here. Very affordable, an amazing brand. Color payoff is just, everything is perfect with them, so I love that. And then moving on to another eye product is the Essence. Essence is bomb. Okay, Essence has a really good brow pencil too. The sucky part about it is it runs out very fast. It's like $2.49. I used it for an entire wedding party of like 7, and it was done. So this right here is the long lasting eye pencil. It's a 18-hour wear and waterproof. This is bomb. If you find this on sale right here, get you a bunch of them because they're really good. It's so inexpensive, it's very affordable, and it's great. From that, moving on to the next liner. This is actually the liquid liner that I have on today for my wing. And 9 times out of 10, it's the one that I always have on outside of my MAC Brush Black liquid liner. This is the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX. A lot of people don't like it. I love it. It is not a matte finish. It does have some shine to it, which I'm perfectly fine with. It doesn't matter. As long as my liner comes out good, we're good to go. And I just do a quick and then I fill it in, and that's it. This is literally one of the easiest ones to use, and if you can see that tip, making a mess. It's nice and super black. I love this pen. So this one, I want to say, ranges for about $6 to $8. I'm not 100% sure, but I got this at Ulta, and I will try to enter a card here if I can with pricing. And that's all for everything else. Now I'm going to move on to lip products really quick, and then we'll be done. So if you like something on the natural end, I love my NYX Butter Glosses. I just dropped it in my drink. I love my NYX Butter Glosses. This one is in Madeline. It's super bomb. I want to say that these range for about $4.99. Anywhere from like $4 to $6, maybe even cheaper. You can usually get these for like buy one get one 50% off. These are bomb. I'm not even a big gloss person. I recently got into gloss and that one is major. Like, these butter glosses are the truth and they're amazing. I get mine at Ulta. Once again, I will try to enter a card right here for the pricing. And or you can always go to I want to say CVS and get this trio for less than $10. I think it's actually $8.99, and these are full size if I'm not mistaken. And this has Madeleine, Creme Brulee, and Fortune Cookie in there, which are all very, very, very popular colors. So yeah, it's a full size gloss and you get 3. So why not? Because all of these are super, super bomb, and honestly, the glosses are amazing. So definitely go grab you some of those. And then lastly, we have Neat Freak. And this is just a ColourPop gloss. ColourPop really has a wide range of products that you would love for a very affordable price. And it's a great quality. This is actually from Makeup Shayla's collection. I ordered this one online, but you can go into Ulta and pick up any of ColourPop's long variety of colors. They have red, they have everything. So it's just not limited to glosses. You can have your liquid matte lipsticks. They have the lippy sticks, which are lipsticks in a slimmer form. It's very nice to apply the lip color. You can get like a very crisp outline with it and then just lightly fill it in. But yeah, hopefully you guys find this video very useful and very helpful, and hopefully you can go out and get some of these products for yourself and let me know down below what you think. Please leave me any suggestions below, any comments, questions, concerns. Drop them below for me. Make sure that you subscribe, and while you're at it, might as well watch the next video. Just go ahead and watch the next video. Yep. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at @jmurray, just like here on YouTube. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.